In this AI stock app review, I'm going to be showing you a software that is a 301 app that creates and generates and translates any type of content for you or your clients in 60 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AIstockapp, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says instant access to all your digital needs in one app, 1 billion stock assets with world's first GPT-4 powered 301 app that creates, generates, and translates any type of content for you and your clients in 60 seconds. All your digital needs in one app, from content to image to graphics, translation, editor, or more. So essentially, this is a software that has lots of tools inside of it that you can use to create different content for your business, and it is a one-time price here. It says step 1, log in. Step 2, enter a keyword and generate in one click. They say copy, export, and profit. Of course, any kind of profit that you make from this is going to depend what you're doing with it. So don't think that just because you use an app like this, you're magically going to start profiting from it. It does include, it says 1 billion plus royalty-free, high-quality stock assets. You get like stock images, videos, audios, GIFs, stickers, all this different stock material. Create GPT-4 AI-powered content. So you can use the power of AI to create content as well. You can use it to power your websites, so all the different pages that you need for your websites. You can use it for marketing content for your business, social media posts, documents, images, chatbots, transcriptions. You can export it all, and it has a commercial license included right on the front end. I'm going to scroll down here and kind of show you what you guys are going to get if you purchase this. You're going to get all these different things added in here. You can see they're all the stuff that you're going to get for a one-time price. However, that being said, you will want to move your mouse away on this page. A discount code like this should pop up. I make less by showing you that that discount code as an affiliate, so please go ahead and click that like button. I appreciate it so much. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a demo video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hey, there, stop. Attention please. Imaging. If minutes from now you can get access to just one AI software that can cater to all your digital needs. All your digital
restrictions on it. You will want to move your mouse away. It's normally looks like 67, but if you move your mouse away, you can get a $35 discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is 15 plus pro features, image editor. It looks like you're going to get that with this one here. So you get all these extra features. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Next one is, it says you can set it up with high engaging content, graphics, art, and more. So it looks like they add stuff into it for you. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount off this one. Next one is done for you traffic, and it looks like sales. I don't know how they're going to magically give you sales, but done for you traffic. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount on this one. Next one is you can actually, looks like you can create accounts for clients and sell them accounts. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount on this one. Next one's 5 done for you products to sell. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. And the last one is it looks like you can create unlimited accounts for unlimited clients and sell it to them. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AIstockapp and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, with technology like this that does so many different things all in one, it's not going to be like the best image creator or the best at doing one single thing, right? If you want something that's going to be the best, you want to get a software that specifically does one task. So this is more like kind of like a jackknife, and it has all these different things all inside of it. What do I like about it? If you're on a budget, if you're looking for a software that's going to do anything in this that's going to save you time or money, it could be worth it for you and your business. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AIstockapp review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.